Brought to you by Cybersalt's Joomla training cohort and mysites.guru. There's been a lot of activity in the last week or so since the vulnerability in JCE Editor was discovered and also has been used by hackers to deface and attack Joomla websites. In this video, I'm going to show you a very easy way to see if your site is affected by this and to how to clean it very easily as well. But first, let me just say that the JCE Editor, the developer Ryan, he's a great guy. We've had him on the channel here, and the fact that this vulnerability was exposed is, I don't think, a reflection on JCE Editor. And Ryan has handled this really well, of releasing patches as soon as possible. In this current day of advanced AI, more and more things are being found that are exploitable in software, and some very big companies have had to take some very dramatic steps and quick steps as new vulnerabilities that have been around for a long time are discovered that human beings just never could see. So this is going to happen more and more in the future. In the end, once everything gets tightened up, it's going to be better. But it's just a real reminder to everybody out there with web pages, you cannot leave them sitting there. You've got to keep on top of them. You have to keep them up to date, or you need to have someone that's keeping them up to date for you. So the site that we're going to look at now is a client of mine who is coming back on my monthly management plan. I manage websites for people. And so I've been dealing this, updating things and catching things for most of my client sites this week. Now you'll see here we are in mysites.guru, and I'm already on the hacked sites area. I have two hacked sites. One I keep for using for tutorials, but as you'll see in this site here, and these names are anonymized, when we click, you'll see that it says this site has one or more vulnerable plugins, and it's identifying it as an older version of JCE. It's below 2.9.99.6. But you'll also see as we scroll down this snapshot, right at the top of the tools, you see hacked, check for JCE, rogue profiles, and backdoors. All we have to do is click investigate. And first we're going to see that an audit of this site is running. So not only is this tool seeing the JCE stuff already, but I've added this site to mysites.guru, and it's doing a complete audit. It's a large site. So right now it is running. But I'm not going to wait because I want to see this information. So we'll click OK. And then we're going to say, got it. And here's what you'll see. The hack creates rogue profiles in JCE Editor. And as you'll see, there's 12 that have been found here. There's some name patterns, and this is a new one just showing up today that I was just talking to Phil from mysites.guru, and this has just been added to pick this up. But you'll see these rogue profiles have been created on this website in JCE. And basically what those rogue profiles do is then give permission to upload files to the user of those rogue profiles. And then those files get uploaded, and then it's on. So as we scroll down here, you'll see that already there's 15 malicious files. Some from 4 days ago, some 2 days ago, and there's one from 3 hours ago. So this is still a very active situation. Now, what do? Well, first of all, we're going to remove all those rogue profiles. They're taken care of. And then we will say, got it. We're going to go because that audit is there. And now we have these malicious files. We're going to delete all the malicious files, and those are cleaned up. Now, what leaves next for us to do, we go through that. There's no JCE compromise found. Excuse me. Next, I am going to go onto this site, and I will update JCE to the latest. And then I'm going to let the audit continue in mysites.guru to see if there's any other files that have been put in other places, not just these common ones. And then we'll clean things up there. Just for fun, let's take a look. If I go back to two hacked sites, and we go back to my other one that I've been saving, you will see that it's cleaned for check for those rogue files there. But here it says the site's been hacked. I'm going to investigate the hack. And we'll see, got it here as we read the warnings about that. And here are hacked files on that site. But this site, you see, they've been there for 9 years. I save these files for using for tutorials and for examples. I know that this site is hacked and it's not a client site. It's just a site I have for hacked sites. So I recommend that if you have not updated to the latest JCE editor, or even if you have, go to mysites.guru, get a free site audit for your site. You'll see whether or not there's anything that's infected or not. And if you want to clean it easily, if you find that there are things there, then of course you can buy a subscription and use the tools and your site will be clean. And while you're there, check out all the tools and information that will save you time and money doing other things with your Joomla site. And of course, if you're looking to hire someone to manage your site, do all this for you, give me a call, tim@cybersalt.com. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites and God bless.